But first, important new details in our politically charged investigation. For months, we've exposed how officials falsely charged police protesters as a street gang.
ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing obtained text messages from the main prosecutor behind those charges, and they raised some serious concerns.
First, the text revealed that top Maricopa County prosecutors were using a secret texting app. And second, the prosecutor in the gang case claims County Attorney Allister Adel knew about the plan to charge protesters as a gang before it happened.
The texts are from Election Day, November 3rd, 2020. They were sent by Prosecutor April Sponsel, pictured here, to one of her colleagues. One of the first questions Sponsel asks, "You on Signal?" Her colleague answers, "Signal." She tells him, "It's a texting app all of us have been using. Signal is an app for encrypted messaging. Once deleted, there's little record of what was said and between whom."
Once they're put on.
And Dan Barr, a First Amendment attorney and public records expert, says that raises concerns.
So if they were using Signal to discuss cases, even if it's on, their personal phones, or that, those would be considered public records.
Absolutely. And, the fact that they're using Signal here, is a pretty good indication of what their intention is here. Is they want to have conversations that evade the public records law.
In the messages, after Sponsel's colleague asks, "Why have you guys been using Signal?" she texts back, "Because of the disappearing text options." It was right after that text that Sponsel began talking about the gang case. Now remember, it's Election Day. God, I hope Allister wins. If not, I'm screwed. Which is fine. I think ACAB is a gang. Just a week before this text, Sponsel worked with Phoenix police to falsely charge this group as a criminal street gang. They claimed because the group sometimes chanted, "All cops are bastards," or ACAB, that was one of the things that made them a gang. Sponsel and officials also told a grand jury the group was like the Bloods, Crips, and Hells Angels. Now, back to the texts. Sponsel's colleague tells her, "I don't know if I agree that anyone saying ACAB is in a gang, but I also don't have the evidence." He then asks, "Did Allister know the plan before you sought indictments?" She texts back, "Yes, she did know. Everyone in the chain knew."
Now, the county attorney has declined our interview requests about this case, but in an emailed statement, Adel said, "As I have stated in response to similar inquiries, I was not properly briefed about the plan to present this case to the grand jury. I cannot speculate as to what an employee meant in a text message conversation with others that I was not a part of." Okay, that's not a specific denial that she knew about the plan. Now, as for concerns about Signal, MCAO says employees do deny using it to conduct county business. I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.